Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix cannot add cards. The region settings for this device cannot be used with Apple Pay. If you're using any iPhone or any iPad, you're facing this type issue that whenever you try to add your payment method or your card to your Apple Pay, you might see this type error, which is the region settings for this device cannot be used with Apple Pay. So it might be that the card you're using doesn't match to your region settings of your iPhone settings. So let's see how can you fix the issue. You just have to simply go back and just open your settings here. The very first thing you have to make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection. You have to also make sure that you haven't any VPN connected. If you find just have to disconnect your VPN, go to general, go to software update, and just try to update your software. Once you updated your software, you have to simply go back and go to this language and region option. Select region and select your own region in which you're living or the region of your credit card which you're trying to use. Once you have done this, simply go back. Your issue has been fixed. Or you can also try to go to date and time and just enable this toggle to set your date and time automatically. And once you have done, before you retry, I recommend you have to try to make a first restart with your iPhone to prevent any kind of software glitch. Not to do this, just quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, press and hold the power button, and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And here, once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. So once your phone has been restarted, now you just have to simply unlock your phone, and now you have to retry, and you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.